Welcome back to the Camping Zone, where we review the best camping products to make sure that your trips are epic. In this video, we're going to be checking out the best flip-flops for camping that you can buy today. Flip-flops are the most comfortable and best camping footwear to have. You probably don't want to be extreme hiking in them, but for relaxing around the campsite they are perfect. If the weather is good, then a good pair of camping flip-flops are a necessity. Our team have been wearing these sandals around town, camp, and on uneven terrain in a bid to find out which ones are the best. They are listed in order based on performance, quality, and price, and there is an option for every type of camper. So if you're looking for the best flip-flops for camping, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Crocs Classic Grumman 2 Flip-Flops. It wouldn't be a list about flip-flops if we didn't have a pair of Crocs in it, so here we have the Classic 2. As you would expect from Crocs, they are super lightweight, as they are made with the same Croslite foam as the Classic Clog. They are also just as comfy. They are fully waterproof and will dry quickly. We also think that they look better than the Classic Crocs clogs. In fact, you wouldn't even know they were Crocs at first glance. The sole is cushioned and has arch support to provide extra comfort for walking around camp. You won't even notice you have them on for the most part. However, they won't be suitable for long trail walks or hikes. If you want a pair of comfortable, waterproof, and lightweight flip-flops for the campsite, then the Crocs Classic 2 are a great option. In at number 4 is the KIIU Thong Sandals. These flip-flops are made with a high-quality, synthetic nubuck upper strap which is soft and comfortable on your feet. The sole is made from a durable rubber, which makes these sandals water-friendly but not waterproof. There is arch support and shock-absorbing soles which make these flip-flops extremely comfortable. You will be able to walk around camp comfortably all day wearing these. The materials that make these flip-flops are durable and built for camping, so they can withstand different environments like beach, forest, and city walking with ease. They are built to last. In our opinion, these are one of the best-looking flip-flops on the list, and they are also really affordable, which makes us like them even more. If you want a solid, comfy, and stylish pair of camping sandals at a great price, then you can't go wrong with the KIIU Thong Sandals. The third product on our list is the Teva Pajaro Flip-Flops. Teva is an authentic icon in the outdoor industry, and these sandals don't disappoint. They are a burly, rugged flip-flop that are designed for walking trails. They have a thick footbed and shank that make these flip-flops really sturdy and durable. The thick pattern on the sole gives the wearer great traction. Our team were impressed with its stability on uneven terrain, as well as its traction on steep dirt, mud, and rock. As you might tell from the design of these flip-flops, they are meant for mountain walking and hiking trails. They perform well in most conditions and are great for long hikes. Because of their bulky design, the Teva Pajaro will not be for every camper. But if you are after a heavy-duty flip-flop with great tread for long hikes and uneven terrain, then these will be perfect. In at number 2 on the list is the Skechers Reggae Trailway. These flip-flops are extremely comfortable, which you would expect from a pair of Skechers. It has a toe ring design with a suede finish. These flip-flops have an easy slip-on styling, featuring adjustable hook and loop closure for the perfect fit. The straps are made of a breathable neoprene fabric, so they won't rub or cause you irritation. The contoured footbed with arch cushion and toe ridge make these super comfortable, and you'll be able to wear these all day without any pain or discomfort. They even have shock-absorbing midsoles for the extra support. They only weigh 7 ounces, so are great for backpacking and camping because they are so light. The design and lightweight of these sandals make them really comfy, and they look great too. The best flip-flops for camping are the Reef Men's Fanning Flip-Flop Sandals. These flip-flops are designed by the 3-time world champion surfer, Mick Fanning. They are the ultimate athletic sandal and are made of comfortable, water-friendly synthetic nubuck to the upper part. The footbed is molded with anatomical arch support and full 360-degree heel airbag, so you can walk for miles in comfort in these sandals. They have a unique fun feature where there is a bottle opener built into the footbed of the sandal, so you can open your bottle after a surf or hanging at the pool. As you might have guessed, they are waterproof and ready for any water adventure. They also look pretty good in our opinion. So if you want a pair of comfortable, stylish flip-flops that you can walk for miles in, then these will be your go-to pair. Not to mention that you can easily open a bottle when you reach your destination. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.